Hey guys, what's going on? Tonight we're going to draw one of my favorite wrestlers in the TWF, Snagglefangs! One of the most hungriest wrestlers in the Thumb Wrestling Federation. He can't stop eating everything that's in his path. He mostly eats stuff like wood, metal, sand, basic materials, actually. He even ate something from a conference room. Amazing, huh? Anyway, he started off his career on Chico's team on Season 2, and then he was thrown into the ring in Season 3. That was a really amazing... That was a very amazing battle we saw. Anyway, that's how you draw Snagglefangs. Until next time... 8, 8, 8!